How can I be a coach if I don't have my own stuff resolved yet? I feel like a fraud. How am I going to help my client with this X, Y, or Z situation if I feel like I'm kind of struggling with that myself? Secret number 9 is that you want a certification program that has embedded in it your own personal transformation and healing path. You see, in psychotherapy, in order for us to become a psychotherapist, we are required to have a specific number of hours that we do our own personal psychotherapy with a practitioner. So we are in the role of the client so that we can work on our own stuff. Well, that's exactly what you want in a coaching certification program as well. I know a lot of certification programs that claim to have this embedded in them, but they really don't devote as much time or as much energy into really helping you transform. Another thing I would hear a lot from my clients is that, well, how can I be a coach if I don't have my own stuff resolved yet? I feel like a fraud. How am I going to help my client with this X, Y, or Z situation if I feel like I'm kind of struggling with that myself? Or I don't feel like I've resolved all my stuff. I'm not perfect. How am I going to go out there and say that I can help them? Which is a very valid experience to have. And we're going to talk more and more about this in the next few days. But what I want to mention here is that in the Whole Wellness Coaching Certification Program, we have you go through your own transformation with specific processes that allow you to reach your next level of who you want to be and break free from the parts of you that don't serve you to become the coach that you want to be. So you feel that you're walking the talk, you feel in integrity, that whatever it is that you're going to go out there and help others with, you are practicing it. And that's one of the most powerful things that you can do as a coach, because then when you go through the own healing and breakthroughs yourself, you just can't help it. It's magnetic, it pours out of you, and you inspire everybody around you that's open to hear that and receive that. So your clients get that side benefit of your own transformation because you just can't contain it. And you become a model and an inspiration for them to do the same.